What is up, guys? We at Hidden Workshop tonight, and we have the white boy. Look at that. Y'all know white boy. Baju hitam, mengelepon. With me today is Daus House and a few of the 4B1X member. So our project today, we are changing this white Fender to another white Fender, which is that. That is the new white Fender. The difference of that Fender, Mi, apa beza kau pun Fender dengan Fender baru tu tak? Hah? Tok model apa tu? V2, V1. Oh, kau pun tak? Ah, white V2. So that is white Fender Varis V2, and this is white Fender Varis V1. Yeah. So we're changing that today. Simple mod. Not too difficult, just changing Fender. So yeah, let's get to it. I know there's some of you waiting for 4B content, so this is the 4B content you guys been waiting for. So we have a special anniversary dinner tomorrow, and this guy is preparing for it, so he's changing it right before the dinner, which is tomorrow, to make it look more nice, you know. Mi kena tak tukar V1 pergi V2? Ah, Dream Fender? Oh, dollar. Ni ada dollar. Oh, see the tandok. This one no tandok lah. This one alem gila. Saya ada tandok. Nyama tandok.
Wah, dem ketat ya.
Tight.
Minta ke pelayar?
Pelayar di sini. Those? Can see the 4B1X member cars over here around. Goodbye V1. Posel. Huh? Damn. F1 look. How to open side fender? One the nutter. Two nutter. Three nutter. Four nutter.
Nane kore. Ma. Clip opener.
Mak. Screwdriver.
Ya.
And a few screws. Is that the last nut?
No.
Nut 4. Nut 6. Last nut.
Makan menu lah.
Do you like?
Yes, please.
Oh, no lights ready also. Siap.
So high speed.
Sailor control.
Si kontot.
Okay, sorry. Oh.
Kontot. What? Who in the right mind would buy this? Before? After?
You pasang dulu deh, jadi di Honda gitu. So,
Bring it out of that hard, don't you take the bait, fuck you, don't we need the bait to clean, fuck you, don't we know, it's all I think about the clean,
Kena? Kena ke dia? Kena. Kena. An hour later. Fitment check. Right now they are doing modification to make the fitment. Because race car. Race car look. Nih.
you pakai album launcher kan? Android player. Oke lah.
V2 white Fender is already in. Fitment is a bit off, but gonna be sent to the bodywork to do. But that's how it looks like. Has this thing at the side. Looks good, yo. Ooh, look at that. Damn. Looks mean. Yeah. Looks raw. Apa pendapat mi? Pakai V2 white Fender.
Looking, but it takes a lot of work.
Man himself said it's difficult to do. Wider on the side. ada telinga yo. So he's gonna paint his whole car soon. So with the white boy with his 5-inch exhaust. Yeah. That is the installation for tonight. A little bit of custom work have to be done. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Me.
So guys, duty is pain, but in the end, it's worth it. Bye.